Hello there, my name's Tom Starkey. I'm the Assistive Technology Advisor here at the University of Leeds. This is a quick introduction to one of our workshops. This workshop will be on screen readers. Screen readers are a technology, an assistive technology, that allow text and images from a computer screen to be either spoken or transcribed into Braille. The workshop will involve looking at the range of options in regards to screen readers, looking at how best to use them and in what situations are they most useful, and looking at approaches to reading that involve not necessarily sight as the primary function. If assistive technology and screen readers in particular are something that you're interested in, there is a booking link to our workshop on this Minerva page, and I look forward to working with some of you.